Welcome everybody. Now we are presenting you our testing machine CHZ 2003, which is made for testing any kind of compressor and prove the ability of the compressors. The capacity of testing machine is up to 350 cc. Using every kind of compressors can be attached by using universal adapters. The test is run by refrigerants. Develop this compressor test bench in order to make the warranty claims, the verification, and to detect the unwanted noise and vibration. The test bench may be used by the manufacturers, rebuilders, and also authorized services. You can have the power of the compressor and the graphic and the noise detection. Our test bench can measure the low pressure, the high pressure, the compressor power, and also the graphics. In the graphics, you can see the power and also the vibration and noise. Also, you may observe the condenser temperature, the evaporator temperature, and the ambient temperature. Any kind of compressor can be mounted by using our universal brackets. You can attach the compressor and adjust the belt via laser verification point and adjust the tension of the belt. You attach the hoses very easily, and you can put the plug for the electricity. And you have the magnetic temperature tester. For the safety, we have a cover and emergency stop. We have a user-friendly menu. You can use the menu manually also. Also, you can use it automatically. All the steps of automatic menu can be programmable by touch buttons. Now we are running our demo test. We are starting by vacuuming the compressor. Then we are testing the vacuum. We are testing if there is any leakage. Then we are charging the gas. Then test is starting and we are detecting if there is any noise on the compressor by running it empty. You can monitor the power and the noise on the screen. Now we start the compressor power test. All the test steps can be adjustable by our requirements. Now our test is ended. We recovered the gas and we can touch the print button to have the test result. Now our test is ended. We are thanking you for watching. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to contact us. We can modify our test bench according to your requirements. Thank you.